Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Ninja 3-in-1 food processor. This gadget will help you from dips to drink, dough to dessert. Create your favorite food and drinks at home with this 3-in-1 food processor. Multi-serve blender and personal blender. Chop, slice, grate, puree. Mix your way to doughs and batters, burgers, fish cake, chop, salad in this 1.8-liter food processor balls. Blend sauce, dressing, crush ice cocktails to share in 2.1 jug. Create ice cool smoothie in 700 ml cup, complete with travel lid. Auto IQ technology, automatic one-touch intelligence. 5 programs are tailored to deliver the result you want at the touch of a button. Unique pulse, blend and process pattern do all the hard work for you. You can also take control with manual setting. A powerful 1200 watts motor driver. Ninja's interchangeable attachment and precision engineered stainless steel blade. Switch between the chopping blade, dough tool and slicing grating disc in the food processor ball. The patented Pro Extractor blends whole fruits and vegetable, nuts, seeds and ice in a single serve cup, and also with dishwasher safe accessories. We're going to check this stuff out and see what is inside. This is information pack. Ninja 3-in-1 food processor. Part of the unit. This is the jug with blade inside. Let's see what it looks like. You press to release. Reversible disc for slicing, flip for shredding. Reversible disc. This is another unit here. See what it looks like. Another unit. This one is jug, 700 ml. This is the main unit. This is the main unit here with attached power cable. This is the cup. Yes, this cup goes with this. Yeah, goes within here. And the good thing is this will sit on your unit. It's plastic, but it's done in a way that it will latch properly to your unit. You see? So this is what we have here. This is the unboxing. These are the stuff included in the packaging. These are the stuff that's included in the packaging. Ninja 3-in-1 food processor. It deserves your attention. I'm happy with this stuff. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.